Hello, boys and girls, men and women, ladies and gentlemen. It is I once again, Geeter-Burns, and this time we're going to do a remix version of solving the Rubik's Cube. This one is going to be more fan friendly. As I've said in the past, there are quite a bit of Rubik's Cube tutorials where, in my opinion, they teach you how to solve it as if you already know how to solve it. They're really just showing you a better way to do it. But what I'm going to work to do in this series, which is what I'm going to call the best and easiest Rubik's Cube tutorial. And it's going to be fun. So sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and thanks for watching.